This is a tutorial to show how I made this light painting image. The tools used are the Insta360 1X, a 360 camera mounted on a tripod, and the tube from a water blaster pool toy which I bought from eBay. I attached the tube to a torch using a rubber hose adapter and hose clamps. I set the camera to a 10-second countdown timer, sit it on the ground, find my position, and then wait for the camera to start capturing a long exposure. To create the flower shape, I start at the bottom and then weave my way upwards to form a spiral at the top. When I get to the middle, I switch off the torch. Here's how it looks in the dark. This was filmed on my phone using an app called Pablo, which captures light movement as a video file. For this image I created 3 flower shapes in my backyard during a 55-second exposure. The camera was placed on the footpath. The 1X has the ability to capture in RAW, so first I used Lightroom to adjust the tone and highlights, and then I imported the image into the Insta360 Studio desktop app, which allows me to morph the image in a number of different ways. I've done quite a few of these shots in the past, so I know where to stand to get the 3 flowers in a triangular position. This shot was captured at ISO 800 because I wanted the Milky Way to be visible. However, having a high ISO meant that I had to reduce the brightness of my torch so the flowers didn't overexpose. Luckily my torch has a dimmer, so I was able to dial it down to what I needed. For the final image, I used a healing brush to erase the camera tripod from the shot. And that's it. Done.